All right, Miss Jensen. It's the last one. Can't believe I'm already at the last one. Can't wait. These are actually kind of fun, to be honest with you. I'm actually kind of enjoying it. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get through it, get it done, have a good time. 1.16 intermediate value theorem. So below we have a table of values for a continuous function f. So looking on the interval is 0. So this is showing the whole table basically. So from 0 to 9, all the way the whole thing. The minimum number of zeros. So we're looking for when y equals 0. So when it crosses the x line. Dang, I forgot the word. Anyways. So we know the first value will start at 0, 1. We know that is above the x line. Then it'll drop below it. That creates a 0. Every time it crosses the x line, it creates a 0. So in order to cross it once, because it goes from positive to a negative, and then back to a positive. And then from positive, does it create a 0? And then from positive, negative. So it's just when y makes sign changes. And we know that it makes 1, 2, and then 3 sign changes, so there will be 3 zeros. And look on the interval 4 to 9 now. For number 2, it only has 1 sign change from 7 to negative 1, so it will have 1, 0. So now, we look on the interval from 0 to 4. There must be a value of x for which f of x equals 2. Explain. So we know that at f equals 0, f of 0 equals 1, and f of 4 equals 3, based off the table. So according to the IVT, the intermediate value theorem, there is a value of c such as f of c equals 2. And 0 is less than c, which is less than 4. So basically what it's saying is, if the starting point is at 1 and the ending point is at 3, at some point in the middle, it has to equal 2. But on the interval 4 to 8, could there be a value for x where f of x equals negative 2? Well, we know, it could be true, it could not be true. At 5, it could go down to negative 2. We don't really know. We don't have enough information to know. So, just the answer is f of x equals 2 could be true, and it also could not be true. But I would also, since this is the last one, Ms. Jensen, you're my favorite teacher, I have $1 million idea. What if there was a club, maybe sponsored by you, called the Cheeto Catchers, that catches the nasty people eating Cheetos in the bathroom and send them straight to ISS, Ms. Jensen, or out of school suspension, or alternative school. I think these people need to be punished, and we could fight crime together, Miss Jensen, with the Cheeto Catching Club, the CCC.